Hi everyone! I cut a pant leg from a pair of jeans, 30 centimeters long, and I'm going to baste this wider part. I'm using a thick thread, kite string, so it won't break when we close it down here. Baste all the way around. I basted everything, pulled it here, see, to make it really tight, and I make a few stitches to finish it off. I put a bag with sand inside the pants, and I'm going to tie it. I put a lot of stuffing and I'm going to baste all around. I cut fabric measuring 29 centimeters by 15 centimeters. I'm going to join these parts here and sew them together. I've sewn it. Now I just need to turn it right side out. We'll make this scarecrow in no time. It can be a doorstop. It can be a decoration for a festa junina. Tell me, how are you going to make this scarecrow? Is it for decoration? Is it to be a doorstop? Do you have any other ideas? Look, put this seam down here. I mark the middle here, and I'll put a pin here. I'll sew right here in the middle. Guys, I'm going to use sisal rope, but you can use any other material. I cut 4 12 strings and tied one right here in the middle, see? Bring them together like this, and now I put it on. I glue it here. And press it. The little strings go here like this. See? I press it. Put a little bit here in the middle. Press it and wait for it to dry. Then we do it like this. Look, twist it here. To fray it. Look how nice it looks. To make the head, I cut a 22 centimeter circle. I'm using a thick thread, and I'm going to baste it all the way around. We have to fill it with plenty of stuffing, so the head will be nice and round. I stuffed it a lot until it got really round. Put a lot of hot glue here. Press it and wait for it to dry. I'm going to use several pieces of sisal string to make the Scarecrow's hair. Fray it like this. Apply glue. Then everyone will do it their own way. Done. Fill his head with sisal threads or any other material you choose. You can buy this straw hat. You can make any hat in whatever way you find easiest. This one I made with paper and a small plastic container. You can make a jute hat. Whatever you find easiest or prettiest. I'm going to position it here and see if it fits just right. Put some glue right here on the edge. Press it onto the head of the Scarecrow. Guys, you can cut fabric scraps any size you want. Tie a little knot there. I painted the little face with the Micron 005 pen and the Acrylex pen. Look how beautiful it turned out. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Guys, I'm in love. If you liked this video, like it, share it, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.